40 years ago, did the survival kit of American pilots really contain gold? The clean and hygienic backpack before you is the Wilderness Extreme Cold Weather Survival Kit issued to pilots by the U.S. military in 1986 for Arctic missions. It features a sturdy handle on the top, independent hooks on both sides, and a brass zipper on the front. Without further ado, let's open it up and take a look. Firstly, there's a head-mounted mosquito net to effectively prevent bites from the notorious Arctic black flies. Following that is a remarkably soft rain poncho, showing slight discoloration but no signs of cracking. Surviving the bone-chilling nights of the Arctic is a great challenge, and this survival sleeping bag is detailed to the max. Its exterior is in International Rescue Orange, not only waterproof but also filled with a large amount of duck down for maximum comfort. Next is the heavy accessory pack at the bottom. It includes instructional booklets, a snow shovel kit, and a multifunctional water storage bag that can double as a flotation device when inflated after draining the water. On the left side of the backpack are 7 individual rations featuring a delicious chicken soup, instant coffee with sugar, and 4 assorted flavored cereal bars. The lid of the cans is incredibly sharp and can be used for simple cutting tasks. A compact multifunctional utility knife with the year 1986 engraved on the blade is part of the ensemble. Inside the thick paper bag is not a document, but a wire saw for cutting wood or metal easily. There's also a survival signal mirror for seeking help by reflecting sunlight with an effective range of up to 15 kilometers. Opening the black-taped aluminum can reveals an unused candle inside. A box contains a compass, an instructional booklet, and a black whistle, which is a significant tool for survival. Following that is a white spoon and a can of matches. The shining brass wire is not gold, but rather used for securing tents and making hunting traps. Next is a flintstone, a roll of tin foil for emergency warmth, and a package of fishing net. The bottom compartment holds impressive tools, including a knife that can be transformed into a dragon-slaying sword with a simple rotation, featuring a sharp edge for self-defense and a serrated back for cutting ice blocks. In the small medical kit, there's an eye emergency kit with eye pads, medical tape, and eye ointment. The larger first aid box contains various items like Band-Aids, a roll of camouflage compression bandage, 2 different lip balms, a bottle of wound disinfectant, elastic bandages, a triangular bandage roll, and a full bottle of water purification tablets. Arctic survival wouldn't be complete without fishing tools, including a fishing manual, 2 rolls of nylon fishing line, a small bag of feathered artificial bait, a pack of fishing hooks and sinkers, and a durable steel wire leader. This concludes the entire contents of the 1986 U.S. military Arctic survival kit.